In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable HTML in WordPress comments. Today I'm going to show you how to disable HTML tags in WordPress comments. But if you want to know how to allow users to report inappropriate comments in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can solve that issue too. I'll link it in the description below. Or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to disable HTML in WordPress comments, go to Appearance. Then click on Theme Editor. Now, on the right-hand side under Theme Files, click on Theme Functions. Scroll down to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case something goes wrong. Now, paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. Now click on Update File. Once the file gets updated, now I have this post open here. I'm just going to reload this page. And now if I try to comment an HTML tag, as you can see, the comment doesn't appear here. This is how you can disable HTML in the WordPress comments. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.